Hey, good morning mga kasipa. So this is Coach Rico. I'm a Taekwondo coach. So there are questions na kailangan natin sagutin. A girl versus boy sparring. Okay? So in my club, this is normal. Yes, this is normal. Pinapag-sparring ko talaga ang babae at lalaki. Pero marami akong bagay na kinoconsider. Number one is edad at experience ng bawat players. Parehas sila ng belt, hindi sila nagkakalayo ng belt, parehas sila ng weight, hindi sila nagkakalayo ng weight, at hindi sila nagkakalayo ng height. Yan yung mga nagiging basihan ko bago ako magpa-sparring ng girl versus boy. As a Taekwondo coach, meron ako mga category na sinusunod sa bawat player ko at sa bawat students ko. Dito pa lang, alam mo na kung saan mo ilalagay ang bata mo. Okay. Number one category is letter C. In category C, both players can do sparring, pero they are not allowed to kick in the head. So para saan itong category C? Ang category C is only for the white belt who already promoted going to yellow belt. Okay? So this is the first experience ng sparring nila. So second category is letter B. In category B, both players can do sparring, they can kick the head, they can kick the armor, pero hindi malakas. Okay, soft touch. The objective here is only the distancing. So pinapagawa ko itong category B kapag alam ko naman na hindi ganun kalakas yung bata ko, yung student ko. So hindi naman kasi lahat ng student natin biniyayaan ng malakas na pangangatawan, di ba? Na pangangatawan. So ayan yung category na pinapagawa ko sa kanila. Yan yung level ng sparring na pinapagawa ko lang sa kanila. In category A, both players can play the hard sparring. Okay? Pwede na silang mag-sparring ng kahit anong level ng power ang gawin nila. Huwag naman ang yellow at black. Always remember mga kasipa, na ang improvements ay hindi yan basta-basta ma-earn through hard sparring or maraming repetition ng sparring. Ang improvements ay na-earn to the consistency, to the proper procedure of trainings, at tamang pagsunod sa protocols and guidelines, tamang pagdidisiplina sa sarili. Okay? So yun lang mga kasipa. Bye-bye!